Welcome to the top best. The best Crea Clip Set is probably one of the most innovative and user-friendly hair cutting tools designed to help you achieve salon-quality haircuts at home, making it an indispensable addition to your personal grooming arsenal for effortless styling and precise trimming. Number 5. AIMIKE Round Hair Brush. Introducing the AIMIKE Round Hair Brush, designed to elevate your hair styling experience. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. It features advanced nano-thermal ceramic and ionic technology. This ensures even heat distribution and reduces frizz for smoother hair. The 2.1-inch barrel is perfect for creating volume and waves. Its boar bristles help to distribute natural oils, enhancing shine and texture. This brush is your go-to tool for drying, styling, curling, and adding shine. It adapts to all your styling needs. Its elegant golden finish adds a touch of luxury to your beauty routine. Look good while achieving great hair. Plus, it comes with 4 free clips to help you section your hair effortlessly. Get ready for a perfect styling session. What we like? This tool uses advanced ceramic and ionic technology for faster drying and reduced frizz. Its boar bristles distribute natural oils, enhancing texture and shine. If you're looking for salon-quality smoothness and volume at home, this is your go-to. What people say. The Crea Clip Set hair cutting tool is a great way to get a professional-looking haircut at home. It is easy to use and helps you cut your hair evenly and precisely. The set includes different sizes of clips, allowing you to customize your haircut. Number 4. Crea Clip Set hair cutting tool. Tired of expensive salon visits? Now you can achieve professional-looking haircuts at home with this innovative tool. Perfect for trimming bangs, creating layers, or managing split ends. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. This revolutionary hair cutting tool gained national attention on Shark Tank for its effectiveness and simplicity. Why spend a fortune on haircuts when you can do it yourself? Get salon-quality results in minutes. Achieve precise and even cuts every time. It guides your scissors for flawless bangs and beautiful layers. This set includes 2 clips, making it versatile for all hair types and lengths. Take control of your hairstyle today. What we like? Achieve salon-perfect layers and trims from the comfort of your home with this innovative cutting tool. It's designed for effortless DIY haircuts, making it ideal for anyone wanting to maintain their style between salon visits. If you want to save time and money on haircuts, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The Crea Clip Set hair cutting tool is a fantastic addition to my hair styling arsenal. It's incredibly easy to use, even for a beginner like me. The clips are designed to hold hair securely in place, allowing for precise cuts every time. I love how it helps me achieve salon-quality results at home, saving me time and money. I was skeptical at first, but the Crea Clip Set hair cutting tool exceeded my expectations. The quality of the materials is excellent, and the clips are very durable. They don't snag or pull on my hair, which is a huge plus. The different sizes included in the set are perfect for various hair lengths and styles. It's a game changer for anyone who likes to trim their own hair or give their kids haircuts. Number 3. Sndyi Professional Hair Sectioning Clips. Tired of hair falling out of place while styling? Discover the ultimate solution for neat and precise sectioning. These are designed for professional use, ensuring a secure grip without slipping. Achieve salon-quality results at home. Say goodbye to frustrating creases and marks on your hair. Our unique design keeps your hair smooth and untouched. Featuring both duckbill and roller clips, they are perfect for all your styling needs. From intricate updos to simple blowouts, they hold everything perfectly. Made to last, this 12-pack in classic black offers great value. They are the essential tool for any hairstylist or enthusiast. What we like? These clips offer a secure, non-slip grip without leaving creases in your hair. They are perfect for precise sectioning during styling, coloring, or cutting. If you need reliable clips that keep hair in place without damage, this 12-pack is a professional choice. What people say. This is a great tool for cutting your own hair. It is easy to use and makes cutting hair simple. The Crea Clip Set is a must-have for anyone who wants to save money on haircuts. Number 2. CreaClip Hair Cutting Tool. Tired of uneven haircuts? Achieve salon-quality layers, bangs, and trims with ease. This DIY kit makes professional styling simple. Discover the secret that impressed the sharks. This innovative tool is your key to perfect hairstyling, right in your own home. Whether you have straight, wavy, or curly hair, this set is designed to help you create beautiful styles. It's perfect for managing split ends too. Experience the precision of professional shears. They are crafted for clean cuts, ensuring your hair looks its best after every styling session. From chic bobs to feathered layers, the possibilities are endless. Get the exact look you want without a trip to the salon. This is the ultimate hairstyling kit for anyone looking to save time and money. Get ready to transform your look with confidence. What we like. This set provides everything you need for a complete DIY haircut, including professional-grade shears. It's perfect for achieving various styles like layers, bangs, and bobs with precision. If you're serious about cutting your own hair and want professional results, this kit is an excellent investment. What people say. The Crea Clip Set hair cutting tool is a fantastic product that makes at-home haircuts a breeze. The clips are designed to hold hair securely, preventing slippage during cutting. The different sizes allow for precise layering and trimming, making it easy to achieve salon-quality results without professional help. The tool is also very lightweight and easy to maneuver, which is a big plus when cutting your own hair or a child's hair. The included comb and level ensure that every cut is even and symmetrical. Overall, it's a great investment for anyone looking to save time and money on haircuts. I was skeptical at first, but the Crea Clip Set hair cutting tool exceeded my expectations. The clips are made of durable plastic and have a non-slip grip, so they stay in place even on fine hair. The set comes with 3 different sized clips, which are perfect for creating various hairstyles, from simple trims to more intricate layers. The built-in level is a genius addition, ensuring that your cuts are perfectly straight every time. I've used it several times now, and it has consistently delivered professional-looking results. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. This hair cutting tool is a game changer. The clips are sturdy and well made, and they grip the hair firmly without causing any damage. The set includes a variety of clip sizes, which are essential for achieving different hair lengths and styles. The integrated level is a brilliant feature that guarantees perfectly straight cuts, eliminating the need for constant checking. I found it to be very effective for both my own hair and my kids' hair. It simplifies the haircutting process significantly, making it less intimidating and more efficient. Highly recommended for anyone who wants to maintain their hair at home. Number 1. 10 Pieces Stainless Steel Hair Scissors Kit. Introducing our 10-piece hair scissors kit, designed for precision cutting. Whether your hair is dry or wet, achieve salon-quality results at home. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these shears offer exceptional sharpness and durability. They are perfect for both professional barbers and personal use. This versatile set is suitable for everyone. Achieve the perfect haircut for yourself or family members with ease and confidence. Experience the difference sharp barber tools can make. This comprehensive set includes all the necessary accessories for a complete grooming experience. Elevate your hairstyling game with our professional-grade scissors. Get the clean, precise cuts you desire every time. What we like. This comprehensive kit features 10 pieces of stainless steel precision shears for both dry and wet hair cutting. It's designed for professional barbers and personal use, ensuring sharp, clean cuts every time. If you demand accuracy and quality in your cutting tools, this set offers exceptional value and performance. What people say. The Crea Clip Set hair cutting tool is a great way to get a salon-quality haircut at home. It is easy to use and the results are professional. The clips are made of high-quality plastic and are very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.